Pushing down on those tabs. And with your fingernail on the black one, you are pushing down and wiggling backwards.
And then we're going to go ahead and take this off. Four screws. We're going to take this board off. And you're going to line up these onto this one. Push it down.
Got it?
And you're going to go ahead and put the cover back on.
And you're going to get all 4 screws started.
Yep. And then when you go to plug it in, kind of move this around. The reason why we kind of keep it loose is to make sure that we can actually get those plugs in. Yeah, unscrew these a little bit. So you're gonna see once this loosened, see what happened now. Now I can move this.
Got it.
And then you're gonna screw it in.
1/8 Allen wrench. There we go.
And then you're gonna go back around and take. So this is your old. This is gonna be your new.
Got it.
And it just goes back in the way that you took the other one out.
And then the 2 regular screws are going to go on the top, and the 2 longer screws are going to go on the bottom.
Yep. 2 of the screws that were originally in there, you're gonna put up here.
Okay.
So you're gonna get 2 screws,
Got it.
2 nuts,
Okay.
and then the cam spring block. And you're going to run the 2 screws through the bottom 2 holes. So get that going.
Okay, and those come out here.
Yep, they're gonna come out here. I probably have them too long right now, but that's fine. We need to put the clutch back on first. Okay. You're gonna line up. Tighten her up. It's gonna go like that, so don't worry. You're gonna put your cam spring clutch on. Then you're going to put your nuts on.
is a 9mm. How tight?
Just snug.
Just snug.
And onto the screw.
So you're using a screwdriver to hold the screw on the inside while we tighten the nuts on the outside. Okay.
Power supply wire gets plugged into the furthest.
Okay.
And then you have this 2
Got it.
funky looking wire that goes next. And then you have this gray wire.
The gray wire. There it is. Gray wire.
That is next. Then you have your servo wire. And then you have your servo control wire. It's the fun little one that has all the colors on
Got
it.
it.
And that's the last one.
Very last
This
one.
one's
Closest to you.
Yep, and you just want to make sure everything clicks when you go and push it in.
Got it.
Yellow.
Hello.
Red.